Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Autodesk Inventor 2027, how to bend a part. So you can create for the new drawing, and as example I will draw sketch here with a rectangle, and next use extrude tools to convert into 3D. Now if you want to bend this part, you can convert the part to sheet metal. You can select the extrusion of this object and then click convert to sheet metal. The next you can click on the object to convert. Click OK to apply. The next two bends, you can use the fold tools. Like as example, we can create for the bend line. I will create here for the bend line. And the next, click fold. Now for bend line, you can click the line object. So you can have three options for fold location. Okay, this is for the second and the third end of bend. So if you want to set for center line, use this option and click apply to bend. You also can use flank again to create bendings. The next, like in this endpoint part, you can click to set the new bend. Click OK to apply. Okay, that's it for basic Inventor 2027, how to bend a part.